OpDots is an add-on for Salesforce CRM that creates a real-time activity console that makes your employees and managers more productive in their daily tasks. Inside Salesforce, your employees use CRM text listings like these to decide what their next activity should be. In our multitasking world, the most important next thing can't always be at the top of that list. With page after page after page, nothing really jumps out here. It's nearly impossible to make good decisions quickly, and sometimes we end up with unpleasant surprises. So OpDots tackles this decision-making challenge in a very different way, a visual way. OpDots puts all of that same information on one screen, with one dot per case. Now what you're seeing here is everything that was in all of those pages of listings. That's a lot of information, so it may look confusing at first. Let me show you how easy this is. For support cases like we see here, a dot's position, color, size, and shape tell us about the case's age, status, priority, category, or maybe complexity, and even how recently the last update was made. For instance, this big solid red dot is a customer-critical escalated case that's been open for about a week, but hasn't been updated by the support agent recently. That's definitely an issue, since many of the other active cases are being worked and updated. Let's check the details. Here I can see some basic information for some of the fields I've chosen from this record. I can also make quick edits or add a comment, so easily in fact that many routine updates can be done right here. If I need to access the full detail page, that's just another click away. Part of the power of OpDots is in seeing patterns to the dots. As we look across these support people, we see very different behaviors and results. This agent, Derek, is heavily loaded with many active cases spread through all of the case statuses. All of the circles show that he's working cases pretty evenly, including the aging ones. This agent, Ken, has a much lighter workload, is working mostly cases that were open recently, but is letting the older cases stagnate, as I see from these solid dots. Having the full context here, patterns like this really start to pop out. That's part of the power of seeing everything at a glance. OpDots takes this daily planning time and turns it into doing time. OpDots makes it faster and easier for managers and employees to see and act on and update that CRM data. Check out our other demo videos specific to either sales or support, or start a free trial at OpDots.com.